guys, welcome back to part 3 of the drift trike build. Today, it's going to be a pretty short episode. All we're really doing is we are cutting out the pieces to make this fit onto this. We decided that we were going to have it in the middle. And are we doing anything else?
Not really. So, just gonna, probably can't see the lines here, but if I take this out, so I'm gonna cut this out to match this profile, and I'm gonna cut it down here, and then cut some notches in this as well, so that they kind of fit together, and then we'll blend them in together, but it's gonna be good. We'll catch some video in the process, but that's the plan.
Well, there's not going to be really much going on. Yeah, we'll see y'all in a sec. We just finished making all of the marks, and now we're going to use the big boy grinder, and he's going to cut out these. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Sparks are going to fly. Some of the sparks were hitting the back of the room, okay? Like, that big boy grinder is for big boy.
Oh my goodness.
The blade was glowing. Did you not see that?
Uh-uh.
Are you not entertained? Are you guys not entertained?
Now we gotta cut out this smaller piece.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Anyway, I didn't use that today.
Oh. There wasn't that many sparks anyway. Y'all didn't miss that much.
Oh, couldn't see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, there's that one.
Your big back was covering the entire screen.
Alright, I'll flip it over.
We're gonna flip it?
Check to see our alignment.
What?
See if we're still
Yeah, Dad, we're fine.
good.
I'm gonna see how, we have to do this when it doesn't get hot. Around here.
Alright.
Ah. Break it off, break it off.
Okay.
Are we done?
Nope.
Dang it.
Now I gotta cut this part off, and then I gotta clean it up.
Cut it off, cut it off. Can I clean it off?
Sure.
Yay! Ooh, the big boy. Listen, that thing shoots sparks everywhere. Huh? Do you clean it off like this? Do you go? Is this how I do it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna sit here for a few years.
So you just kind of lightly take it along here, and then across here, and then across here. Try to get this edge. Alright, now, squeeze it when you do it, okay? Well, you can do that part first, yeah.
Not.
Yeah. Flip it over.
Flip it over.
Let it go.
Let it go. So what are you gonna do now? That end?
This edge.
Can I try?
Let's do the next piece when we got more open spaces.
Okay.
Okay. So that should be it for that.
Alright. I'll take off my headphones and stuff. No. What are we doing with this? Oh, woo! Woo! Big metal pipe. Woo! What are these big lines along the side for?
Not sure.
You did them.
Oh, that's when I was tracing the shape onto the other piece.
Ah.
Alright.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Go!
See if you can rock it out of there. Otherwise I'll have to change out the blade on the other one. Keep going. Alright.
Yay, I did it! I put that in the hot metal pile. I'm ready? Ready? Wait, I gotta tap it.
Bad idea.
Ah, yeah, it's hot. I feel
Still
bad.
see it okay?
What?
Still see it okay?
See what? Okay. Yeah. First, I'm just gonna bang it.
So bend it way down first. Now go up.
Way down and then rip.
Now go up. Come on. There you go.
Not even gonna touch it.
Okay, Russ. So now, to use this, you're gonna put it underneath, kind of.
Yeah.
And you're gonna go like this,
How far should I push?
and then up here like this.
Okay, but how far should I push?
Um,
And how much should I squeeze?
a lot harder. Squeeze all the way, but push quite a bit harder than you were. Let's go ahead and take a break.
This is the first piece.
Yep.
What do you have to say?
I think it's good. So
And then?
again, we can't slide it in here because of those, so I gotta cut one of these off and slide it in, and then I'll weld it back on. But we're also gonna make these bend down to sit flat with this, and we're gonna make like a point shape out of it as well. So we got some work to do.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back. So this is what I wanted this transition to look like. So it ended up that these pieces slid together like this. So turns out I didn't have to cut this second piece off of here, but I did. So now we are where we are. So now I have to go through and I have to make this piece that I cut off from the other side look just like this. So stay tuned. That's what we're about to do. There we go. There's the first piece. second piece. All right, there's third piece. Now, time to assemble. All right, we got it tacked into place. Take this out so I can weld it up. Alright, well if you didn't see it before, I guess the video shut off on me. So we got these two sides finished up, and you see this slides in place. So everything here looks good to me. So I'm not sure yet if I want to round this off and maybe make it come down to a point like the sides do. Not sure. Might just leave it that way. However, what I do know is this side piece right here can't stay that way. So I'm probably going to start here. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it out so that this thing rolls around, and where it touches here, it's flush against it. And it'll kind of act a little bit like a skid plate for the bottom. Give it a little more something in case I hit something behind the front tire. So that's what we're about to do. Stay tuned. Guess I'm not gonna get in there. Alright, can you see that? So now I have to come, I gotta bend this down, weld it, bend it down, weld it, bend it down until it fits this profile. Like a glove. Alright, time to weld. Alright, you guys are seeing it here live. Alright. You guys are the first to ever see this. I haven't even seen this yet. Does it look good? Feels good. I think that turned out awesome. I like the way this goes back into itself. Yeah. I like it. Okay, got Junior here. Alright, so.
Junior?
Yeah. Tell everybody what we did. Tell everybody what you think about it.
Well, I think it's nice and neat.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is the main connection from the very front to the very back. There's not really a middle because this thing's so small.
Mm-hmm.
But,
So you like the points?
oh yeah.
You like how it came out with going down the middle instead of the front or the back?
Yeah, when you pull this thing apart, it feels like you're doing a sword and stone.
Why don't you sit on it and see what it feels like?
We'll take it out.
Can't turn it yet, no?
Dang it. Oh, I kind of can.
Well, that's not really tightened down yet, but
Oh no, you're like...
yep, something like that. So,
Oh my gosh, we're crashing.
for real.
I know, right?
Well,
This is a really real simulation.
come down here and give us an outro.
I get to do the outro.
Yep, come on down.
Finally, Dad, you're being smart.
That's easy.
Well, I think this episode's been good. We will see you guys next time.
Oh, go ahead and give them a plug.
Oh yeah. Well,
If you're enjoying these videos,
yeah, if you're enjoying these,
why don't you go check out...
this is my dad's channel. But you should come out and check out my channel where I play video games. That's basically it. I also do my awesome commentary, the same as you see in here. The name of the channel is Time Ticker, TimeTicker.
So, we will put a link in the description below.
Yep.
So, what does everybody need to do right now?
First, you need to hit the like button.
Gotta mash that like button.
Second,
Hit subscribe so that you can keep in tune with the build of the drift trike.
well, hit the notification bell so that
Don't
whenever
forget
we put
the
out new videos, you guys will be able to see it.
All right.
We will see you guys next time.
See ya.